Hey guys, another package has just arrived, and this, I believe, came from Nike. Well, hey guys, this is Aldridge here. Let's get unboxing. This package again came from Nike, and there are two sneakers here, and I would love to show you guys these sneakers. Can you guys still see me? So at the top, I almost cut this. This is a paper bag from Nike. Let's throw that aside. And this is a severely wrapped package. Let's go with this one first. Let's put this aside. Look at that wrapping, bro. That's a lot. I'm not gonna destroy this, probably. This is one box. This is an Air Force 1. It's in a size 11. This is my friend's. But this is a special one. Whoa, look at that. Look at that tissue paper. It has stars on it. Woo. You can never go wrong with a new pair of Air Force Ones. Look at that. This is the Nike Air Force One Double Air. Of course, it's still made of leather. Woo, it's so clean. It's clean, bro. Double Air because this Air logo here on the side. Usually it's only here at the midsole, but they added one on this back part. It's black and white. It's a classic. Upper is still made of leather, and there's an overbranding on the tongue up until this part. You won't get that, metal tag which you usually get on an Air Force One, but you do get all these logos and tags and overbranding. If you think about it, it looks like an Air Force One utility without, the overbranding here at the middle. Overall, it's a clean shoe. Everything in black here, and on the heel tab and on this part, it's all glossy black. It's clean. I like it. This was purchased at $4,995. It's clean. The insole is actually also black, which would be easier to, not stain. Although everything else is white, and you know how Air Force One creases so much. So yeah, the outsole is also white. You will still see that typical outsole from an Air Force One. It's a nice shoe. Again, so much paper. Alright, the box is damaged, but that's fine. If you guys can see it, it has a Jordan logo, a Jumpman logo in gold. This is the Jordan 1 Low SE. Let's put that aside. That's the receipt. Tissue paper has the number 23 on it. Oh, I like this color. This is the J1 Low SE in the active fuchsia colorway. Whoa, look at that. This pink part at the back, it's actually made of suede or something similar to that. You'll still see that Air Jordan logo at the back with the wings. The Jumpman, also in pink. The laces are nice. Look at this. Outsole is also pink. This is active fuchsia colorway, if I have not mentioned. course, outsole. Outsole is still the same, your typical Jordan 1. Everything else is made up of leather. The black parts are leather. This white toe box is also leather. This is leather. You have a black tongue with a highlight of a pink Jumpman logo. You have the number 23 as a lace lock here in the middle. You got pink laces, fuchsia actually. You got the swoosh. I like it. Unfortunately, I did not get anything on my size because it's part of the hustle. Whoa, you also get extra laces. I did not know that. If you want something more subtle, you got the extra black laces. The insole has a black Jumpman logo. Insole is also pink. Hey guys, what do you think about this sneakers? The Air Force 1, it's a classic. The double air is a nice touch actually, and everything, all the black highlights here are all glossy and it's attractive. Now this J1 low, this Jordan 1 low in the active fuchsia colorway, it's also nice. I'm not sure if it fits a lot of outfits. I do love pink, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this. This will be up for sale. Just check out my carousell account. So what do you guys prefer, an Air Force 1 or a Jordan 1 low? Comment down below. Tell me, what do you like? Which one do you like better? Even if it's a different colorway. I own an Air Force 1. I love it. I use it all the time. It goes along with so many outfits. But this one, I might have to wait for a better colorway. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. It will help this channel out, and I will be producing more videos weekly, every Wednesday 6 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. See you in the next one.